What other repurposed IKEA furniture ideas are out there that could help to get your home organized? Some really popular IKEA hack ideas are an IKEA shoe rack, IKEA workbench, and IKEA Bisa hack. Here are some of our favorite IKEA home organization and storage hack ideas we found. 1. DIY Rustic Farmhouse Storage Buffet. How do you store your potatoes and onions? We just love this idea of turning IKEA's raft dresser into a way to store them in your kitchen. Reminds us of an antique farmhouse buffet. 2. Clever solution to increase kitchen storage. Whoever thought that repurposing an IKEA Hemnes shoe cabinet could be the solution to your kitchen storage problems? This is a great example of how to creatively maximizing your kitchen storage if you have limited space. 3. Creative repurposed jewelry display. We love how Fresh Crush repurposed IKEA's Verera cupboard cabinet shelf insert, normally used for stacking cups and jars, into a beautiful practical jewelry storage display. 4. DIY kid-friendly nightstand makeover. Have you found that furniture designed for nurseries tends to be quite pricey? We recently repurposed an IKEA Hemnes nightstand into a new table for a kid's room or nursery using non-toxic paint and naturally made wood stain and polish. IKEA hack ideas at their finest. Stylish and not as expensive. 5. Simple repurposed makeup organizer. Are you looking for a way to organize your makeup? Could you use a tidier bathroom space? If so, this repurposed IKEA Plugist system is a really clever way to do it. 6. Stylishly upcycled shoe organizer. Who says organization can't be stylish? This DIY by every home is a castle turns a boring IKEA Bisa shoe cabinet into a high-end concealed organization unit that doubles as a hallway table. We love these IKEA hack ideas. 7. Custom under the bed storage drawer. There never seems to be enough storage for the kids' toys. This creative IKEA Packed Drawer hack by Grillo Designs is a great way to maximize space and keep toys out of sight. 8. Impressive DIY Garage Workbench. Have you ever thought about creating a garage workbench using IKEA furniture? Well, the truth is, we hadn't until we came across this DIY by A Polished Habitat. It's such a practical solution to adding organization to a typically unorganized space using IKEA's Kallax storage cubes, tabletops, and dressers. May take some effort, but the results look well worth it. 9. Simple DIY ribbon organizer. If you're looking for a fun IKEA raft dresser hack, this DIY by Design Dazzle is just the thing. Give your craft ribbons some well-deserved attention. They are just too pretty not to. 10. DIY Custom Kitchen Pantry. Ever wished you could have a custom pantry for added storage? This DIY by Run to Radiance shows you how to transform IKEA's affordable Billy bookcase into a custom high-end looking pantry.